So we got oil coming out about just about all the rockers. We've been spinning for 5 minutes or so. Just one rocker that's still a little dry. Other than that, it's coming up the rest of them, so we're going to keep spinning and turn the motor over at the same time and see if we can't get some oil up that rocker. We'll pour a little bit right on the lifter besides and see if that helps. Maybe some stuff in there making it sticky. Okay, we just finished priming and we've got oil up on every rocker now. And we had 40 pounds pressure. So we'll dump some more oil on some areas that have a little bit of surface rust from the brake cleaner cleaning. And then we'll dump all this oil out and it'll be fresh oil. But other than that, this motor probably hasn't ran for we don't know how long. Oh, maybe 10 years or so. So at least it looks like it might be a good motor. It's got 40 PSI, so it's a good start just off of a cordless drill. So that's not bad. So we'll go from there.